Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. So today we are going to present our final project called Solid Waste Management Advocacy and Pollution Mitigation through Pop Culture. And to formally begin to, we would like to introduce ourselves muna. Ako po si Mark Lawrence Bernales. And kasama ko po sila Castillo Benedict, Dashil George Gesha, Prince Reynald Garafa, and Present Densis Siri. So ang napili po namin dalawang pop culture is the role-playing and film. And ang napili po naming issue na i-address is the solid waste management. So why solid waste management? Probably because isa pa rin po siya sa mga nananatiling problem dito sa Philippines. And we all know that solid waste management is very important talaga. Because if we don't manage the waste na dito sa bansa natin, is napakalaki po ng epekto niya. Hindi lang po sa climate change, pati na rin po sa everyday life natin. So, we have chosen these two pop culture together with the issue because unlike po sa music, pagdating po sa role playing in the film, hindi lang po yung tainga and yung brain yung nasa-satisfy niya. Kasama na rin po yung mata, which is the visual age. And visual age helps a lot when it comes to conveying a message like this. So, sa next part naman po, which is the project project video presentation, which is going to be reported by Prince Reynald Garafa and Ryzen Desisir.
So here po, we've chosen video role playing to demonstrate the proper solid waste management in the community. So syempre naman dito in Metro Manila, so improper waste management is one of the most common issue that we have until to this day. And we chose video role playing as one of the way to address our issue because it is an effective tool for addressing uh, the proper solid waste management because it creates an engaging, realistic, and relatable way to educate and raise awareness. And in this video role playing, it can create scenarios that will allows the audience or viewers to see the consequences of poor waste practices and the benefits of proper disposal. So without further ado, this is our video presentation.
We gather here to breathe, to rest, to be with family. Our parks are the lungs of our city, but when did our breath become polluted?
Marco, tingnan mo to. Dapat yung mga gantong kalat hindi na pinapatrabaho sa iba to eh. Kalat na to eh. Kalat na natin to. Dapat responsibilidad tayo dito. Kuya Ben, nakakapagod naman. Ulit-ulit na lang. Araw-araw na lang tayo naglilinis. Hindi lang kasi dapat ang paglilinis ang inuulit eh. Dapat inuulit mo ang pagdidisiplina sa sarili. Kasi kung lagi-lagi namang naglilinis, kung hindi naman dinidisiplina sa sarili lagi-lagi, ganun pa rin mangyayari. Kalat pa rin sa paligid.
Sonny, kasi yung mga bote natin.
Sa residual, tal.
Mali, ito yung recyclable. Halika nga, hugasan mo muna itong mga to.
Oh. Okay po.
Isipin mo ang bahay natin ay parang maliit na Luzon. Dito pa lang sa bahay natin na hindi na natin maayos ang mga basura, o na pa kaya sa buong bansa?
Okay po, lalagay na po. Carlo, salamat sa pagdala mga basura ha. Yan, yung mga yan, diretso na yan sa likod sa compost. Salamat ha.
Malit na bagay, Kuya Ben, dahil kung hindi natin aalagaan ang lupa, sino ang mag-aalaga sa atin?
Ako, Carlo, maraming salamat talaga ha. Ikaw na talaga ang bago naming waste warrior.
Paalam na po, Kuya Ben. Sige lang, ingat.
True discipline is not just cleaning daily, but disposing of trash properly to protect our future.
Environmental cleanliness is everyone's responsibility. It's up to me, and it is up to you.
Proper solid waste management is a shared responsibility. It requires the active participation of individuals, communities, businesses, and governments. By working together, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all.
Our trash doesn't go away. Every time we discard holds an environmental consequence. Reduce, reuse, recycle isn't just a slogan. It's a daily conscious choice for a cleaner tomorrow.
Waste management protects health and nature. Recycling is a critical investment in a sustainable future, not a burden we avoid.
From the single bottle washed in the sink to the 100 bags collected in the oval, every act of discipline transforms a burden into a resource. Waste management is not a chore. It is respect for our home. It is love for the next generation. We have the power to make the Philippines cleaner, more comfortable, and more beautiful. Start in your home, start in your part, start today. Ang kalinisan ay pananagutan. Choose responsibility. So within our project, there are major changes created as we make through, but we are all able to make it. At first, for our meeting is we choice of a plan of what issues should be taken, and yung napili nga po namin is yung solid waste management and also yung solid waste pollution. Then after nun is nag-create na rin kami ng paper and also is nag-select na rin kami ng mga pop culture na pwede namin ma-presenta. Pero sa pero ang naisip muna namin is yung song, video, and photography. Meanwhile, due to changes of plan is nabago and video na lang yung napili namin. Pero in-improve naman namin yung contents and also naglagay kami ng quotes and also life lessons. So yung sa editing and video script writing is one day naman siya namin nagawa and thankfully naman is nakapag-cooperate naman lahat and also nabigay sila ng mga ideas and also suggestions. Katulad ngayon sa video na just as same for our environments, each one of us need to contribute for a better one and it starts within us. So let's proceed naman dun sa ating mga challenges with Benedict Castillo.
Thank you, Mr. Prince, for the challenges, of course. We still experience challenges. Pero yung mga challenges na to, nangyari before the recording. Since yung recording namin is naging smooth yung flow, these challenges, mga I only listed three to make it short. The first challenge, nagkaroon kami ng pagpapago ng plan tulad nga ng sinabi ni Mr. Prince na first nang napagdesisyonan namin is to create a song. However, nagkulang kami sa instruments and ideas. Then, sa pangalawa naman is yung location. yung target area namin kung saan namin gagawin tong project. Since napansin lang namin, yung napili naming area, which is the Geek Park or People's Park, napansin namin na on, onti lang talaga yung mga kalat doon to perform the project. Then, the last one, yung before we record, may nangyari na um, bad, bad weather condition. So, ang nangyari is, na-move yung pagpunta namin dun sa uh, target area namin kung saan gagawin yung project area. So, overall, ang naging challenge lang naman talaga namin dito is yung time management namin to create this project. And for the next part is the in-depth message by Rachel George Gresha.
So for our in-depth message, is it highly focuses on um being responsible. Kasi kung wala kang pagiging responsible sa kalat mo, walang mangyayari sa And as said nga sa video or sa role play na ginawa namin na it starts in your home. Now if you don't have the discipline sa bahay pa lang, then madadala mo na 'yon hanggang sa paglabas mo. And if madala mo 'yon sa labas, it will only cause tragic and tragedy, yung pinakamalala. Tapos 'yun. So for our reflection naman, um, our reflection is if magiging responsible and disciplined tayo sa pagtapon ng basura, is ang sarap sa feeling, parang magiging payapa ang buong mundo. So yun, for the next reflection is kay Benedict.
Another additional reflection, napansin ko lang na matagal na natin pinopromote ang malinis na kapaligiran. However, matagal na siyang pinopromote pero nagkakaroon pa rin ng issues regarding that. And napansin ko lang na kahit ilang beses tayo maglinis ng mga lugar na tingin natin ay madudumi, babalik at babalik pa rin yun kung hindi natin papaguhin ng sistema talaga natin. And yung sistema na yun is yung pagtatapon ng mga waste sa tama nilang container. Sa tama nilang container. Hindi talaga siya madadaan sa gawa lang We need to change the system talaga. And that's all. Thank you po.
Okay, so that concludes our project presentation po, and thank you for listening.